Dear students, I am in a complete hope that you would be okay in your respective homes. Government is preparing the policy or devising a policy to conduct exams of all students online in the coming months of October or November. So it is necessary moral obligation and compulsion on us to prepare ourselves for the examinations so that you can crack these examinations with a difference or with a very good margin. Dear students, education is only way or learning is only way by which you can rule the world. Dear students, nowadays also the COVID-19 infection is gaining pace. It is putting heavy amount of pressure on the globe. The people are dying in plenty. So it is wise attempt to remain inside our homes, engaged with the books, stick to the books. It will definitely benefit us in two different ways. One, we will save ourselves from the COVID-19 infection, and the second important thing is we will prepare ourselves for the coming examinations to crack these examinations with a very good weightage of marks. Dear students, without use of whiteboard, today we are devising a policy. Through communication skills of a teacher, you may learn something. And today we are dealing with history class 10th. It is Dandi March or civil disobedience movement. Dear students, this movement is also called Salt Satyagraha or Dandi March. Sometimes civil disobedience movement was started by Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi on 12th of March 1930. It might be in your knowledge that in the Arabian coast, in some sea coasts and Arabian coasts, or Arabian sea coast, the people were using the salt that had no monopoly of the British then, but with the passage of time, British monopolized the same salt manufacturing process there and levied huge amount of tax, and the tax was imposed on both poor and rich. So Gandhi felt a need that we are Indians and we had been denied to use the salt at the Dandi. So Gandhi started a movement to break the salt law so that Indians could could have the rights to use these salts without any hesitation or without any tax. So from the Sabarmati ashram, Gandhi with 78 volunteers started a march towards the Dandi. They were walking 24 kilometers daily, and it took about 24 days to reach the Dandi. From March 20, it lasted from March 12 to April 6, 1930. Gandhi with 78 volunteers reached Dandi, where he broke the salt law, took a handful of salt in his hands, and said, "We are the Indians and we have the monopoly over the salt here." This was not only the cause behind the civil disobedience movement or the Dandi March. It was movement launched by Gandhi because all people joined, most people joined this movement. The civil disobedience movement simply means there should be a disobedience from the civil people to the British monopoly, who are day by day putting heavy taxes on Indians, or their harsh ways are their cruel ways was intensifying day by day. So, remaining precise to the concept, this Dandi March is also called Salt Satyagraha. Remember, on 12th of March 1930 it started. Gandhi started this march from 12th of March 1930 from the Sabarmati Ashram, Gujarat, and they crossed, or they pedestrian walking it was, they crossed 384 kilometers, that is 384 kilometers to reach the Dandi with the 78 volunteer list, and broke the salt law at the Dandi. He took a handful of salt in his hands and said, "We are the Indians, we have right on this salt," because British had monopolized that very manufacturing of salt and processing of salt there. So this salt satyagraha basically symbolized that the resources of Indians belong to the Indians. No doubt the British are ruling us, we have been colonized, but day by day we should go against the British cruelty, British tyranny, and it was also a symbol of nationalism. Nationalism growth was there, patriotism growth was there, some enthusiasm came in Indians, and finally when Gandhi broke the salt law, the Indians then had rights to use the salt without any taxes. But dear students, it is all about the Dandi March, started from 12th of March from Sabarmati Ashram, Gujarat, and the pedestrian or the 78 volunteers crossed 384 kilometers and reached Dandi on 6th of April, morning 1930 at 6:30 a.m. Gandhi broke the salt law and asked Indians, "You have the rights to use this salt because British monopoly on Indian resource is never acceptable." But it was a peaceful moment. Gandhi, in his first speech, said it must be a non-violent movement and we should not break the core ideology, that is the non-violent ideology. This is all about the Dandi March. Dear students, if any question or confusion strikes your mind regarding the same topic or regarding the Dandi March, you can call me on 7006-671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number 7006-671106, or you are even free to email me kgm38864@gmail.com. If you post your query there, your query shall be answered within short duration of time. But remember, in a video of 5 or 6 minutes, we can't put exact details or description of the things. But before leaving the class, I am advising you to remain inside your home, stick to the books so that you can prepare yourselves for coming examinations well, and you can also defeat the COVID-19 infection by remaining home isolation, that is this home quarantine for us. Be well assured. Thanks.